Good day everyone, my topic is the concept of Bayani and Kabayanihan. Bayani, one who is brave, selfless, and work for the welfare of the community. So, a Bayani is a person who is brave, selfless, and dedicated to helping the community. They put others' needs before their own and work for the welfare of many people, not just themselves. Kabayanihan, the act of showing heroism, courage, sacrifice, and love for others. So, kabayanihan refers to the action that show heroism, such as act of courage, sacrifice, kindness, and love for others. It means doing something good even when it is difficult, dangerous, or requires giving up something important for the sake of others. A modern bayani can be anyone who serves others and act for the common good. So, modern bayani not only someone who fights in wars, it can be any person who helps, serves, or support others for the common good. Characteristics of a true bayani by Stephen D. Ocampo. First, determination. A true bayani has strong will to continue fighting for what is right, even when facing challenges. They do not easily give up and stay committed to their purpose. Second, courage. A bayani show bravery, especially in difficult or dangerous situations. They are willing to face risks to protect others or defend their beliefs. Second, patriotism. This means having deep love and loyalty for the country. A true bayani works for the good of the nation and is willing to make sacrifices for its progress and freedom. Fourth, self-discipline. A bayani can control their emotions, action, and decision. They act responsibly and do what is right, even when no one is watching. Fifth one, a true bayani put others first. They help people without expecting anything in return and think of the welfare of the community before themselves. Sixth one is humility. Even when great achievements, a bayani remains humble. They do not boast or seek attention. Instead, they stay grounded and respectful. The last one is inspiration to others. So, a true bayani becomes a role model. Their good action encourage others to also do what is right, be brave, and serve the community. How to show nationalism. First one, study and appreciate Philippine history and culture. Knowing the country's past and heritage helps us understand our identity as Filipinos. Learning about heroes, tradition, and important events strengthen our love for the nation. Second one is show interest and pride in Filipino tradition. So, participating in local costume, festival, and practices show respect for our roots. It helps keep Filipinos' culture alive for generations. Country and recognition of the heroes who fought for our freedom. Fifth is buy locally made products. So, supporting Filipino made helps local businesses and grow and improves the economy. It also shows pride in Filipino craftsmanship and talent. 6. The last one is be productive and help your community. So, contributing positively, whether by studying well, helping others, or participating in community activities, strengthen the nation. Every small act of responsibility and kindness help build a better Philippines. Thank you. And God bless po.